Alicia Moore always helping out.
Big up the ladies them too. The ladies them involved. I think it's a bullfight this alone.
Jamaica with Jay for a great Jamaica experience. Although this is a hurricane experience, we don't know the bodies come down. We outside, Trelawny inside.
Building back stronger. Mass devastation. Almost every house flattened. Now we're gonna distribute the packages.
We decided to bring the crew out to a place named D-Side, Trelawny.
Papa, God bless you here. That small token can keep you for a night or two.
Appreciate it, man. To the full 100, man. Thanks very much.
Sausage,
Sausage, steaming,
sardines,
ramen,
soap and tissue.
Stand up for the people of Jamaica. One love.
Outside, like I'm me own the place. Y'all are free, but them can't touch base. From Kingston back to Mobile, and we run the road every day. Car day. Man a beg life, man a beg cloud. Everyone gonna have to talk about.
Today is actually Sunday, November 2nd. Okay, so that Jamaica has faced a devastating, disastrous crisis. We were hit by Hurricane Melissa, and this is worldwide news. So by now, or by the time you guys are seeing this video, you guys would have seen footages or clips of some of the damages that we are facing as a nation. Jamaica has about, a couple million, maybe like 3 million estimate people, and the entire west side has been damaged. A lot of people have lost their homes. A lot of people's homes have been flooded, from roofs being blown off to floodings of homes. But not tell no lie, guys, I'm living in Kingston, and I have to firstly say thank God. I am super grateful that my parish or city was not impacted as greatly, because we still do have people in Kingston that have suffered damages to their homes as well. Kingston is not as greatly impacted as the other parishes like Westmoreland, Hanover, St. Anne, most of all St. Elizabeth and Montego Bay. Just seeing everything that has taken place throughout the whole storm, it is very devastating to watch people's mental state. A lot of people are facing anxiety attacks, panic attacks. I myself was facing some anxiety even during the storm. Just the scare factor of experiencing a Category 5 hurricane, something I have never experienced in my entire life and existence on earth, much less my small island, Jamaica. What is very heartwarming though is just seeing the Jamaican people unite. Everyone is just trying to contribute to the affected persons, or the persons that have been greatly impacted, in the best ways that they can. And it's just really heartwarming, because we know Jamaican people love tear down each other. But if it's one thing for sure, in times like these, especially these critical times, we're going to come together as a people, and we're going to help each other, we're going to support each other, and we are definitely going to rise again as a nation, especially seeing the attitudes of our fellow Jamaican people and the effort that they are making, to help our other neighbors or our other neighboring parishes that have been greatly impacted. We're just like a few weeks away from our happy season, which is about giving, caring, sharing great moments, and that is Christmas. And I know that this Christmas is going to be non-existent for some, and a very sad time for a lot. I am going to be playing my part. I have decided to give back and contribute in the ways that I can. So I don't know if a lot of you guys know, but I do have a store, and I do have an online store, and I managed to have a lot of pieces that, you know, has not been sold as yet, and I've decided to just go ahead and give a lot of those things away. I mean, anybody will get them things, they're happy, because they're all new and quality stuff, from slides to jeans to dresses, and I feel so happy that I'm able to do that. As well, I'm going with my team, and we're going to get a few other stuff, you know, stuff that I believe people will be in need of as well, like tarpaulins, medical items, sheets, towels. I mean, whatever we can get, we're gonna get it and take it down, and hopefully we'll be able to assist a few families in need. Guys, I'm not telling a lie, I wish I could have done more. Right now, I wish I did sit down for a couple billions or a couple 100 millions. There is so much more that I would have wanted to do. You know, something that I would really want to do is try to see if I could help even 2 or 3 families rebuild their homes. You know, if it's either buying some zinc, buying some ply, any type of material that a household would need to rebuild their roofing or rebuild their homes. That's something that I definitely would want to contribute towards. I don't know, I'm definitely reaching out to some people to see what they can do to help or assist me, and if possible I'll definitely take it as an initiative to see if it's even one home I can help to get repaired with some zincs and boards and plies or whatever I can get. I've spoken to some persons, so let's see how that goes in the future. I mean, I really have it like that tonight, guys. I just do what I can do first of all. So for now, I know immediately there's so many people in need of clothing. There's people that have lost all their clothing, all their personal belongings, and so some clothing and some sheet to keep them warm, because there's still persons without shelter. People have to catch air so there so and everywhere. So I know some warm blankets and some sheets and stuff like that will definitely do them good. I know a lot of people are focused on food items, but I kind of just want to focus on, you know, other essentials like, you know, blankets and tarpaulins, you know, stuff like that, Medicaid, and definitely some stuff for the kids, because just imagine what a lot of these 5 and 6 year olds or some babies are going through right now. They don't even understand the seriousness of what is happening. Them just wake up one morning and they're without a home, or they're on the streets, or they're going hungry. So, you know, I want to get stuff like even coloring books and crayons and any little thing I can find for the kids that I believe will help them, you know, for being a better state of mind during this time. While I make my journey, I'm also nervous but excited, because I really want to see for myself what's happening down there. I don't know if I'll be able to talk to some people just to offer a word of encouragement. If you don't know me, that I just might think, you know, advice, and you know, if I even keep contact with 1 or 2 for the future, for see what I can do for them. That's definitely my plan. Guys, I'm not telling a lie, no. Every time I go up on my phone and I scroll, I may have to see the things that will happen. It just leave me teary-eyed. I've never seen I mean, we face hurricanes and we face serious hurricanes before, and seeing damages that the hurricanes have caused in areas, but nothing of this great magnitude. And I just want to say to all the countries, Cayman, the US, the UK, France, all the people that have taken it up as an initiative to assist Jamaica in this time, I just want to say thank you. If you ever come across that video, and all the people also that are in Jamaica that are assisting greatly, Ramesh Entertainment. If I one thing, you know, I can't say anything I want about Ramesh, but Ramesh always did it for the people in Jamaica. Big up Ramesh Entertainment. We definitely see the great work what him doing. I'm one of the first person them will push out and try to get support on a great scale, and him I use all him resources them for do what him can do. The Sans team, Nino, Shanzi and the rest of the Sans team, thank you. Now we see the work what we wanna do. Mr. Nose, Melly, you know, the cast members of the Mr. Nose and maintenance day thing. Big up on yourself. And there are so many other people who I see on social media just put out them effort. I see Kish, Bishops, and just countless people. Remember, I can't call everybody name because I'm not going to remember everybody name right now in this moment. But I just want to implore the rest of the Jamaicans, if there is anything that you can do to help and contribute, or if there's some clothes where you have where you know you're not wear, if you can carry it down a St. Elizabeth, or if you can contribute it to some people where you know and make some trips ever so often, wanna just do it, because almost half of Jamaica right now I face devastation. And if the people are hungry and homeless, that cannot be good for our economy. Nobody now go safe, because it a go reach a one point where everybody a go left the location there and come in a year parish probably, you know, for safe ground and food, and it might lead to a lot of looting in other parishes that aren't even affected, and it might lead to a lot of crime in other parishes that wasn't even affected. So it's very important for you to help in whatever way you can, great or small. I know enough people out there with money. You know, I'm big up to all of the people where they are foreign, where I pop barrel and box, and I try to help in the best way where them can. Trust me, Jamaica need all of the help we can get right now. I know some people sit back in areas that weren't affected and them just are looking, but trust me, you can find a way for help. You must have 2 shoes where you now wear, 2 shoes where you put on for. If I even that, find some people where I go down a St. Elizabeth and drop it off, and just know say you contribute where you can contribute. If I have a 2 box of toothpaste, you understand, each one help one, and just know say Jamaica, we shall rise again. We're a nation built with strong, creative, fun-loving people, and this too shall pass just like the storm, and we shall overcome, and we shall rebuild as a nation, and we shall rise again. From my heart, one love Jamaica. It's kind of hard to see my country I go through this, you know. I'm not tell no lie. Kind of devastating. Hard for watch, hard for see. Every scroll. This is a world news, because we are going through a crisis. Don't take it light. Not because you were spared, or your house was spared, or your family was spared. Give God thanks. But still bear in mind, there's a lot of people that are in need. And anything one can do, people, just do it. Help somebody. If I have one person, if I have one day I can provide a meal for somebody, help somebody. God will bless you now. Believe. So but the writer, so now I wait for the team, and I wait for the bus, and I guess I'll show you guys some of what is happening on my way down. So if you're not interested in that, just stick around. Alright, we shall rise again. Guys, we're currently in Giveaways. Guys, we're going to Giveaways and try to get some stuff. They have medicine stuff. They have everything in here basically. Oh, the bus still come back. Alright guys, we're outside with the guys. They are going for tradings right now, getting some of the stuff right there. More coming. Yep. It's gonna be a long day. Link after stink, you know. Link after stink. One phone call, everything ready. That's no pretty thing now go on today, you know. Bucket hats and bad wigs. That's the vibe. Jay is in Jamaica doing a good deed.
We're ready.
Ready?
Not tired.
Ready for the road?
Ready for the road.
Ready for the road. It's gonna be a vibe. It's gonna be a vibe. Even though it's a hard time, we still have to make fun of what's happening. We still have to make ourselves happy and joyful, you know, because it's a very hard situation and we can't just stay here and set up ourselves. It's sad enough. So as we prepare, we still have to make light of it, you know, guys. So that we're at the right now. Waiting on some more stuff to come in and then we should be on our way. But don't judge me. Don't judge my look. It's not about looks today. It's about giving back.
When the tides were so high and strong, you gave me shelter from the rain. On an open and raging sea, you rescued me.
Alone on this journey, who can I call on? I cry alone, but this silence is so long. I can't give up, yeah, I know got to hold on. Though we get spirit of faith and be strong. Jah alone, God alone. Hear my woes, hear me, oh. Fix it all, fix it all. Jah alone, God alone. In the shadows I wander, heart heavy with the load, but I lift my hand.
We are now in Trelawny. Mass devastation. Almost every house flattened. Yeah. So we are now going to distribute the packages, giving you a view of the area. All the trees.
So So a lot of people know about Black River and St. Elizabeth and them place there. Not many people know about where we are here. We're in D-side, Trelawny. So a lot of people don't know about D-side Trelawny, but that's where we are. We're gonna try to help out, send some love. But we're gonna see what we can get going and see what kind of love we can spread.
Alright guys, so we are finally in Trelawny. What's the community called again? D-side. We're in D-side in Trelawny. And guys, you know, I feel sad because as we come up here, the people them say we're the first set of people them to come to them aid. So with that being said, I just want to tell you guys that I don't want you people to be focused on St. Elizabeth alone. Please try focusing on the other areas because there are people in other areas as well that has been affected, and you can see the joy on the people's face. They're very happy to see us and they're very happy to know that people are actually coming to their aid. So I'm gonna focus for some other areas. I was hoping that we would have gone to St. Elizabeth, but now I feel so much better that we took a detour and we're in Trelawny, because coming here we saw a lot of houses that didn't have roofs. We saw really bad intolerable conditions on the street, and to know that the people are so grateful to see people come into their aid, it warms my heart. All right, so I'm gonna focus on some other areas, not just St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, just see him and experience him a little. Really appreciate this man.
All right.
Yeah, man, respect, man.
So we're here preparing some packages while Damien eats some chicken.
When you go and get somebody one of them bag for wall, I say you know, so them get a bag. If you give them a bag, so them pass it to somebody else. So you give them
Ramen.
so everybody have a bag with get them things. Come here, boy.
What do other bag? Look at them. I think you got ramen that feeling. Yeah, ramen. We can give people, some people down here say, you know, and then up the road. Some because maybe tell you, if anybody come up the road, some people down here say never get nothing.
Yeah.
You understand?
Well, you know it, they not here.
Some people person down here say never get. If anything come up the road, up the road they go stop. Nobody down here say never get nothing.
Well, you know what to do. They not here and know everything.
They know me do it.
The whole mission is in God's hands.
Alright, auntie, come mama. We're ready now, we are go. Mama, want to come up here?
What's up? Say hi to the people.
Me not mind.
There you go. Get us anything you want.
But them know you do work, and everybody can.
Ricky! Rika! Come here, I'll share.
Ramen. In there. Papa, God bless you here. That small token can keep it for a night or two.
Appreciate it, man. To the full 100, man. Thanks very much.
Yourself.
All right, brother.
Yeah, man. That's why you always do it, man. Yeah.
We have to rise and conquer.
Thanks much, yeah.
All right.
Highly appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Sausage, beanie,
Sardine.
ramen,
Soap and tissue.
sardine, tissue, soap.
Yeah, that's it.
Ramen going on that?
Yeah. Water. That's on your time. Fresh bag.
Tissue, sausage, corned beef,
And ramen.
soap. You get ramen where I go?
Yeah.
Ramen.
What's that tuna that one? Yeah. Kind. Let's go get a bag, baby. 2 water. Just hold on a little bit here.
Put the water in it.
You have one box there, so next 2 boxes of tuna.
Fresh bag.
This in a box here.
Ramen. No, wait.
Sausage in already. You get me already. Sausage already.
Yeah, no more. Everything. Soap and tissue.
Tissue, yeah.
Soap and tissue.
Yeah, the tissue.
Juice. Yeah, juice. Alright, man. Fresh bag. Everything by the menu. Including a tuna. Yeah.
Guess what? You want sausage?
Soap. Juice.
That bag is good.
Alright, just not too close, just stay behind some chairs. You can go and identify the people who will be a bag already.
You have some food that we Oh, the goes to pork and rice and peas.
One bag to a household because so many people are in need and please don't try to be inconsiderate.
Go very far. I know.
And then you go to everyone. 1 second. No confusion. I understand but everybody wants a bag. Alright, go on.
What's up, Captain?
Good.
Yes, sir.
Ball me near.
All right, Barley.
1 bag per household, please, because so many people are in need. Alright. Yes, I am. Steak.
What else I want?
Rice and flour.
Mom.
Thank you.
Rice.
Oh, you need rice?
Give me.
Put rice in the bag. You get rice, baby?
Yeah, man.
What's the rest of the stuff that was in this bag here?
Thank you so
Take all
much.
the tire paper and good.
The rice here.
Put the rice in there.
Again.
All right.
Scheme and bag.
Just put everything is in the bag already. Just put the rice in
Put
there.
the paper and put the rice in there.
That's it. That's it. Nah, go and buy some. Get good amount too.
So far we have 50 bags. Again, the goal is just to help as many people as we can. Of course, we can't help everybody, but if everyone helps a little bit, then everyone gets taken care of.
Never forget to hold your hand. So we can feel like forever we've been struggling. Your love is our strength. Together we're resilient. No man can feel a woman's pain. I'll be here with you always. And we have something that's real. We will live forever in this love that we feel. And if I ever forget to hold your hand, I know it can feel like forever we've been struggling. Your love is our strength. Together we're resilient. And there is always a place to lay your head. Never replace this love with anything.
All right, nighttime. Catch us up here. But overall, we gave out over 100 pounds of rice, bags with toilet paper, all kind of sitting inside there. Corned beef, bully beef, sardine, tuna, rice, flour. So overall, it was a successful day. It's tiring, but now we're gonna make some stops to the police station because we have some water to distribute, and we still have a long journey back home. Thank you everyone for helping out, all the support. Alicia, Amor, Soundwave, the whole On Track family, Jamaica with J family, you know what it is, all love. We rise, we conquer.
Alright, thanks again. Many thanks. Yo, respect ya, man. Alright, everything done. Yeah, over there.
Big up Jamaica for the people of Jamaica. One love.
Jah give me strength, I'm not weak, so I